Hello everyone, we're back. My name is Arielle and today I'm going to be showing you how to make salmon with a side of baked carrots, all SCD legal, pescatarian, safe, and paleo. So stay tuned for the recipe. We're going to start off with some salmon, parsley, cilantro, garlic, olive oil, salt, and lemon. So our top 7 ingredients. And we're gonna preheat the oven to 420 degrees. So right now, as you can see, I'm just going to rinse the fish off. Okay, next we're gonna add some salt. So once you finish salting it, just set it aside for about 5 minutes while you prepare the other stuff. Okay, so I have prepped the cilantro and the parsley by just rinsing it off. And now I'm just chopping it into small pieces to sprinkle over our fish. Okay, so after everything is chopped, I'm just gonna pour the things I've cut, and I'm gonna place it into the cup. When you are doing this, make sure to put the cup next to you so you're not spilling everything all around it. Okay, so now take half a lemon and just pour it onto the fish. So finally, once everything is mixed, just take a spoonful at a time and pour it over the salmon. The next step is the oven. So we have the garlic, we have cilantro, we have parsley, so we have salt, olive oil, and garlic. And if you want to add pepper, feel free to do that. If you don't want to add so much parsley or cilantro or garlic, also, it is your recipe, so get creative. Okay, the next step, when the fish is in the oven, we're gonna wash the carrots. I got these multicolored carrots. We're gonna put them on a pan with some olive oil and salt. So the timer just went off. 30 minutes is up, or 20 minutes, sorry, is up. Let me just check on the fish, see what it looks like. Woo. Wow. Okay, let's take this out. To about 375. Let me check on the fish. So I like to poke it in the center, and if it's pink, like light pink like this all the way throughout, it's good. If not, it's gonna go back in. So let me show you what I'm talking about.
That's ready.
I think it needs about 5 more minutes. 5 more. There is slightly too much oil. Okay, so I ended up leaving the fish in for an extra 10 minutes. So 30 minutes cook time total for the fish on 420. And then I put the carrots in for 20 minutes on 420. And then when the fish came out, I lowered it to about 375, 400 for an extra 15 minutes. And the carrots came out perfect. So the carrots needed a little bit extra time. So 25 minutes. And the fish needs 30 minutes. Hi everyone, so I ended up eating dinner, which was salmon and some carrots. And I have 3 meals, so I meal prepped them left over, and I will show you right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and tune in next week for a new video.